Okay, so let's take this opportunity to felicitate her. We are extremely excited to have her here this evening. May I kindly invite the principal of MMK College, Dr. Ashok Vanjani, to join us. Let's put hands together for him. Let's welcome Mr. B.B. Singh, sir. Can we also have the BAF coordinator, teacher in charge for consortium, Miss Afsha Kirkire. Can we have Ms. Saurav Mehra, founder and chairperson, consortium? And Yash Ram Shahani, proprietor, Saya Group.
The bigger gift is for Shekhar. I'm very upset.
नजर से मिली नजर से मिली नजर से पी रहा हूं मैं ये निगाहें आप झुका न देना कहीं ये समा बदल न जाए रिंदों की नज़र में मैखाना काबे से बढ़कर होता है रिंदों की नज़र में रिंदों यानी के पीने वालों की नज़र से रिंदों की नज़र में मैखाना काबे से बढ़कर होता है साकी के घर का एक फेरा 100 हज के बराबर होता है
Okay, so everybody who's here, we are very excited for this one reason that obviously we have her here. And we are here also to show to you a song. So we're here for the song launch. Are you guys excited for this? So, Sonakshi, let's take a look at the song.
Please, let's. I'm even more excited than you guys. What? Like or love? Love, 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 love. Yeah!
Okay, how many of you all want this once more? Not like this. You have to say the two magical words. Once more.
Should I sing it for y'all? Let's do it.
So when we have Sonakshi here, and for the very first time, she sung for a film this song. So presenting to you her live. Ready? Are you guys ready for this?
Woo! Let's do this. Some drama. I'm going to turn around.
दर्द बेदर्दा दर्द बेदर्दा दर्द बेदर्दा दर्द बेदर्दा
है रंजिशे तेरे मेरे दरमियाँ जिंदगी गुंजाइशें समझौतों की दूर तक दिखती नहीं अब तू जी ले या मैं सांसें लूं जिद कहे जिद करना आज रच रच के मैनू चाहे रुला आज रच रच के मैनू दे दे सजा आज रच रच के दिल सहने लगा दर्द बेदर्दा
Okay, now we have a surprise for you and for her. Okay, so this is a surprise that she doesn't even know about, so let's give the surprise to her. We have a very talented singer who's going to join us, and you know what? That opportunity to sing in one of the films was given to her by none other than Sonakshi Sinha herself. She had picked her out at Indian Idol, and may we please welcome Nahid on stage.
Woo! There you are. Hello. I am so proud of this little girl, and I'm so thankful that she has lent me her voice, lent our film her voice, her beautiful voice, and I'm so happy that I was able to fulfill my promise. And
Thank you so
have
much,
done a supreme job with this song, and thank you, Nahid, for being a part of
Most
Akira.
welcome. Thank to you, ma'am, because you are the one who gave me this awesome opportunity. Thanks to you. So grateful to you, ma'am. Thank
We
you
are
so
honored.
much. रंजिशें तेरे मेरे दरमियाँ ज़िंदगी गुंजाइशें समझा तो कि दूर तक दिखती नहीं अब तू जी ले या मैं सांसें लूं जिद करना अज रच रच के मैनू चाहे रुला अज रच रच के मैनू दे सजा अज रच रच के दिल सहने लगा अज रच रच के मैनू चाहे रुला अज रच रच के मैनू दे सजा अज रच रच के दिल सहने लगा दर्द बेदर्दा
Put it in your calendars as
When?
fast as you can.
When?
2nd September.
Very good. Full marks.
Thank you, Nahid. Okay, now we're going to do something exciting. Okay, now, you know, it's not really always that you get this opportunity, so make the most of it. If I had this opportunity, I would be like, Satve Asman Pe. You get a chance to ask her some questions.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Huge fan. Sorry.
Oh, thanks.
I want to ask you, can you tell us some secret regarding this movie?
Secret regarding this movie?
Yeah.
Well, all the secrets are going to be out on 2nd September. It's been one of my most challenging, actually my most challenging and most physically demanding films I've ever been a part of, and I worked really hard for it. So all the secrets, wait for the secrets to come out on 2nd September. I'm sure it'll be worth the wait.
Thank you.
Okay, let's have the second question.
Yeah, can I ask something?
Okay, whoever gets the mic, please ask.
Hi, ma'am. I'm a very big fan of yours. So my question is, which is your favorite Snapchat filter?
I've said it, yeah. That one pinky one filter comes. It's really nice. It just makes you look like really chisel. And
From being a student of MMK and now coming here to promote your film, how was your journey?
Baby, I was student of NM and Jai Hind, not MMK. But thanks. वो भी बन जाएंगे. It feels great to be back. Always, I feel like whenever I come back to college, it feels really, really good. And in fact, when you saw the teachers and the principal and everyone come on stage, automatically my hands go like it's just like everything comes rushing back, and it feels great. And to have a crowd like y'all, to have such energy and such warmth and such madness is always fantastic. It just really pumps me up and gives me a lot more energy to go and, you know, put my
Hello,
film out
ma'am.
there.
I want to ask you a question. Why only a woman-centric film and not another film?
What?
Why only a woman-centric film? This is your first woman-centric film. So I want to ask you questions about it.
When I do other films, you all say, why you don't do woman-centric films? When I do woman-centric films, you say, why woman-centric film? Kare bhi to kya kare, yaar?
But you're killer in the role, let me tell you that.
Thank you.
You
Then,
own
but
it.
no, then why are you asking questions?
Just
Why, what, when,
asking.
where, who, how? Just watch it and enjoy.
Okay.
She said, move a leg. Okay, let's move a leg on stage. Oh no, hi. Hello? Kaun? Kaha? Kidhar? How's the weather down there? Come. Okay, I'll sit. Arey, now. Okay, now put on the music. She wants to dance. She's already dancing. Dance. Come on.
दर्द बेदर्दा दर्द बेदर्दा
रंजिशें तेरे मेरे दरमियां जिंदगी.
On to some other genre of song and dance and.
What's your name? What's your name, by the way? What's your name? Hitiksha.
Hitiksha.
She's also working. She's left work and she's come up. Come, let's
Thank
get
you,
back to
Hitiksha. You were very entertaining. इतनी शांति. आज no questions. अच्छा, mic pass हो रहा है.
Hi, Sonakshi.
Hi, where are you?
Yeah.
Left, right, center, please say.
Towards the
There,
right.
Okay, हाँ.
सोनाक्षी अगर मैं गलत नहीं हूँ तो आपने आईफा में लाइव परफॉर्मेंस दिया था, फिर इश्कॉलिक गाना गाया और आज लाइव परफॉर्मेंस दिया. तो आप क्या आप ऐसा माना जाए कि आप ज़्यादा गाती नज़र आएंगी लाइव परफॉर्मेंस में भी और फिल्मों में भी, और कितनी नर्वस थी जब आपको परफॉर्म करना था स्टूडेंट्स के सामने?
Well, कोशिश तो वही रहेगी. I do eventually want to have a career in music. मुझे singing and dancing का बहुत शौक है. This sounds like that कुछ होता है dialogue. I love singing and dancing. So yeah, but I actually do. So hopefully अभी थोड़ा करके मैं और गाना चाहूँगी. एक सिंगल मैंने रिलीज़ किया था इश्कॉलिक, अभी मैंने अकीरा के लिए गाया है. And I'm really happy that मेरा पहला गाना इस फिल्म के लिए रिकॉर्ड हुआ है. With Vishal and Shekhar who were a tremendous help to me. और आगे जाकर भी मैं और गाने रिलीज करूँगी. So yeah, eventually that is the plan.
My second question is, isn't it ironic that at a time where Sonakshi has turned into truly Dabang with Akira, there are reports which say that you will not be part of Dabang 3, and there are
You didn't read the reports that came after that.
Can you just tell me
You only read that.
Yeah, but I sent you a message, but I didn't get any reply. There was a report saying that you've kind of had a fallout with Salman Khan. Would you like to comment on that, please?
I would like to comment on the first part of your question, which was that are women taking up more central characters? Yes, they are, and I think it's about time that they did. And there are some great characters being written out for women in today's films, and I'm really happy for that. And the audiences have become so much more accepting of what they're watching on screen. So I think it's a great time to be a woman in Indian cinema. Yeah.
Okay. Now the second question, please.
Hi. Arre.
What's up?
Your phone is still in your hand.
I told you last time, wherever you go, I'm going to be tracking you.
Wherever, okay.
All right, so you sound rocking, absolutely rocking. How long did it take for you to record this song and talk something about the video? You're just breaking things. Is that you in real life?
I had a lot of fun doing that, boss. I don't get the chance to do it in real life, but when they told me to do it for this song, I was more than happy. I was like just losing my plot, and it was too much fun. But surprisingly, the song, I walked into Shekhar's studio and Vishal Shekhar's studio, and I was out in like half an hour. And Shekhar was like, 3-4 और गा के चली जा, मतलब इतना जल्दी हो गया है तो. So it was a lot of fun. It's a great song. Shekhar was a great help, while we were recording, and I'm glad that you like what you hear. अब तू जी ले या मैं सांसें लूं, जिद करना. अज रज के मैनू चाहे रुला, अज रज के मैनू दे सजा, अज रज के दिल सहने लगा दर्द बेदर्दा. फिलहाल I don't know what he is making, but इस फिल्म में उन्होंने बहुत ही बेहतरीन काम किया एज एन एक्टर, एज अ विलन. ही इज़ वेरी menacing, और इनफैक्ट मैंने उनसे कहा था कि ही शुड एक्ट सम मोर बिकॉज ही वॉज सो गुड इन द फिल्म, एंड ट्रेलर में भी ही इज़ बिन रियली अप्रिशिएटेड. उसके अलावा कुछ ऐसी बात नहीं हुई है.
हेलो सोनाक्षी, आज हम कॉलेज में हैं, देखा जाए तो प्रमोशन के लिए, तो आपके कोई हसीन पल है जो कॉलेज लाइफ में जो शेयर कर सकते हैं?
हसीन पल?
हसीन लाइफ,
हसीन पल तो मतलब बहुत है, बट नहीं, मतलब लाइक PG-13 हसीन पल. क्या यार, मज़ा आता था. I used to go play lots of sports in college. मैं वॉलीबॉल बहुत खेलती थी, फुटबॉल खेलती थी, बास्केटबॉल खेलती थी, क्लासेस बंक करती थी अटेंडेंस लेने के लिए. मैं वॉलीबॉल से मतलब मेरा अटेंडेंस मिल जाता था मैं स्पोर्ट्स कोटा में. तो ये मेरे हसीन पल है.
We're taking one last question.
Yeah, I want to ask, how does this song fit in the film and what is the meaning of the song according to you?
Well, it's a song about rage. You heard the song, you've heard the lyrics. It goes very, very well with her character. This ideally is a promotional song, and I'm really happy that you guys have liked it. And in the film, it just describes the way her character is, the struggles that she has been put through, and how she comes victorious over those struggles. Yeah.
Thank you, members of the media. I'm sure you want some pictures. So we'll
Thank
do
you.
some
Thank you,
pictures.
thank you, everybody for being here and supporting me in this Akira journey. Thank you so much.